Let's go, Firecrackers! Come on, girls! Get it, Millie.
Come on, Millie, turn it up. There we go.
Oh. Good, Mal.
Yeah.
Come on, Jada.
Blue ball.
What?
Well, somebody pointed the blue.
Yeah. What? Okay. I'm confused. Oh.
Get up.
Good. Good, good. Good, Em. Good, Em. Good. Come on, Blue. Come on.
Haley, get up there.
Come on.
Keep it. Keep it.
Get it from her.
Good, Chelsea.
Come on, Chelsea. Come on. Come on. We need to go for the half. We do. Move your feet. There we go. This side. Let's go. Come on, Mal.
All right, go. Come on, go.
Outside, finally. Take outside. Come on.
All right, Maris, come on. Be ready, Jazz.
Get outside on it. Go, go, pass it on.
Oh, good.
Go, Millie.
Keep it. Keep it, Blue. Keep it. Come on.
Go get it.
Come on, Blue. Yeah, they're going to call that. Yeah.
Wall.
Where's the guy on the golf cart from a while ago?
Yeah, he's sitting there watching.
Is he over there?
Let's go, let's go.
All right, Jazzy.
She's coming, she's coming. Go, 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 go. Get her, get her.
Take it to the outside. Outside, come on.
Way to challenge it, Jasmine. Good job.